Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to check read receipts on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Open a chat. In the message box, type a message. Tap Send. As you can see, the message has been sent. To check read receipts, tap and hold the message to highlight. Now tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Info. If you see single grey colored check mark, means the message successfully sent. If you see double grey colored check mark, means message successfully delivered to the recipient's phone. If you see double blue colored check mark, means the recipient has read your message. This is how you can check read receipts on WhatsApp on an Android device.